At Soya, we do things a little different than the average quilt store. But why? Why are we so involved with our local communities? Why do we offer free classes both in-store and online? Why do we go live almost daily on YouTube to provide you guys the best name brand products for the best pricing? But why does Soya do all of these things? Now, to understand better the reason why we do all these things so differently than the average quilt store, we need to start with the first step of a quilt store, which is the fabric. Let's go there. So first we have to understand that all fabric comes into quilt stores the same, either on a pallet or in a box. From there we open it up and then we organize it. But friendly reminder, all of this stuff right here in front of me was ordered over 6 months ago. And so it's finally getting here so that we can start processing it. Now, there are 3 ways to process fabric. The first way is that we bought the fabric simply to stock it. Maybe we're buying some basics, maybe we're buying some solids, maybe it's just some new white on white. Simply a restock item that's gonna go directly to a sales floor to be sold. Option number 2 is that we're gonna be making a project out of it in some form. Maybe we got a sample that needs to be made, maybe we need to make up some quilt kits to go along with it. So there's gonna be a little bit of extra labor that goes into this product before we can show it to you guys. And the third option, which is unique to Soya, is maybe we're going to just cut this all down to pre-cuts. Here locally, we can cut down Vegas strips, jelly rolls, layer cakes, charm packs, and mini charm packs. And so there's lots of times that a new line's coming out and we think it's gonna look amazing in a layer cake or a Vegas strip or whatever it may be, and we'll cut those here in-house. So as an example, this right here is the brand new Ruby Star Society Best Day Ever. Fantastic collection, fantastic designers. But additionally, as you can see here, I don't know if you want to show this. This collection is only about like 35 pieces-ish. However, we bought tons of fabric to not only make kits out of, but we've also purchased enough that we can make Vegas strips and other things with it as well. So all this is ready to process. And guys, it just got here a couple weeks ago, and so it's going to be processed here in the next day or 2. So here we have an industrial grade pre-cut cutting machine. So it cuts layer cakes, jelly rolls, charm packs, Vegas strips, and mini charms. It can cut any shape as long as it's straight. So rectangles, squares, anything like that, it can cut. Fantastic product, but it gives us a little bit of an edge. That way we can make pre-cuts for lines that don't actually have pre-cuts. For instance, Michael Miller, Aloha Studio E, Henry Glass, there's actually quite a few manufacturers that don't produce pre-cuts. So when those fabric lines come in here, we are able to cut custom ones for ourselves on this machine. Hit the B-roll. Now here's something that you might not know that Soya does differently, which is that we have a full team here on site that produces all the samples that we need for our shows, for our store, for all of our locations actually, is all done here in-house proper. Now, the reason why that's such a key point to Soya is that you just seen that fabric comes in the door. We need to produce that sample faster than the average. We make kits out of them, we do a lot of different things. We want to make sure that we can bring that to you guys as fast as possible. This can't take 3-4 months to do. We can't farm this out to somebody else that isn't their job, right? We need to produce these samples. Just like this one here, from the moment it enters the building to the time there's a sample made is less than 4 weeks for all of our collections. And you have to understand that we bring in quite a few different quilt kits every single week. So we have to keep the production running. And one more thing that you're probably not aware of is that we do in-house long arming. That means you as the customer can send us your quilts and we'll long arm them. But additionally, we need our own long arming services here in-house. That way we can produce all of our samples faster. Let's go check that out. Now, in the beginning of the long arm service, we purchased a long arm for ourselves. That way we could long arm our own samples. Because again, that speed thing was so important to us. That way we could bring things to you quicker, faster, and better. But since then, it has grown substantially. Now we offer long arm services not only to our locals here, but also nationwide. All you have to do is get on soyaquilting.com, check out our quilting service, and send us in your quilt, and you're all ready to go, which is the same mentality of what we needed for our live sales. Let's go there next. Now guys, this is kind of where things fork in the road at Soya. Everything up front is things that you guys can see. You can come into our quilt store, you can look around, you can see that we offer free classes, long arm services, and all those types of things. To the online public, it's not something that we show regularly, but let's get to the live sales. We sell via YouTube pretty much every single day of the week now. Our regularly scheduled programs are Tuesdays and Saturdays at 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, where we sell you guys premium brands, premium notions for the lowest price possible, which we love to do. It's a way to bring in a quilt shop feeling without being physically present here in our brick and mortar. Additionally, because we have sample making, long arm quilting, a whole staff just to receive and make kits, it allows us to move faster and bring those costs down for you guys, which is the most important factor here, that you guys, the customers, feel good about your purchases every single time. Now, additionally, on our lives, we're able to have a good time with you guys. You also be able to get some of the behind the scenes on everything live. For instance, this quilt behind me is an absolutely beautiful quilt. It came out last week. Normal retail, $160. So yeah, price was $140. That way we can get you guys a better price point on everything. And it's only been in our building for about 10 days. So from the moment it landed here, able to produce the sample, quilt it, and show it in such a short amount of time, making it easier for you guys and also easier on everyone's wallets at the same time. Now, a couple extra things that you might not know that Soya does is that we have lasers here in our building. That we can cut custom appliques like the ones you see here. In addition to, one of my favorite features is there's lots of things out there that require templates that they don't produce rulers for. Like for instance, last week there's a beautiful quilt kit that we sold that didn't have a ruler that came with it. So we went ahead and cut that ruler ourselves. That way we can give you guys that added little bonus here at Soya Quilting. Another thing that we do that most people don't know about, especially because it started locally and then branched on into the online world, is that all education, all classes here at Soya Quilting are free. So that means you can come in store, look at our class calendar, and sign up for all of those classes for free. In addition to that, weekly we have a free class on YouTube that anyone can take. And again, 100% free for those class signups. All you have to do is get onto soyaquilting.com, check out that free class. That way we know to expect you in our next class. And the last thing that you might not know that we do is that we deal in other substrates besides 100% quilting cotton and batiks. What I mean by that, we've got some beautiful polyester minky from Shannon Fabrics, one of the best polyester minkies on the planet. Soft. In addition to that, when you put it on the back of a quilt, it just gives it that next level elevated feel to it. In addition to that, we have other substrates like wax canvas, poly-coated cottons. We even have some marine vinyls here, traditional vinyl, 108 backings, and so much more. We love all the different substrates out there that help elevate this industry, both in quilting, bag making, and in apparel. So back to the whole purpose of this video is to answer the why. Why do we do all these things? And it's very simple, guys. We want all to be able to participate in this amazing craft. By offering free classes, best pricing, and premium goods, we hope that you're able to enter this industry or continue to participate in this industry, and most of all, enjoy it throughout. It's the reason why we have all these things that are behind the scenes. All those different things are to better your guys' experience, that hopefully you can enjoy this craft even more. And with that, guys, if you've liked this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and don't be afraid to share it with your friends. And as always, guys, we love to hear from you guys, so make sure you drop a comment while you're down there in the comment section. And while you're there, you might as well check out soyaquilting.com. Go ahead and check it out. We sure do appreciate all the constant support. And also consider, if you love videos like this, make sure you check out our membership program. Information for that is down in the description below. And with that, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.